Bosa Chica Beach. Boy, soy Chica.
That's Chica like in Five Nights at Freddy's.
No.
Let me give 4 shout outs to the YouTubers I suggest that you should watch. FGTV, Cookies Real Steve,
What up, Cookie?
The Beast, and Guava Juice.
Walla, 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 walla.
Dad, you have to do that.
I'm not your dad. I'm the surround sound guy. Surround sound activated.
He's really sick. Well, I'm gonna go in the water.
All right. Come back. We have a question.
Yeah?
Question. What is there more of on this earth? Land or water?
Water.
Is that your final answer?
Yes.
Final answer. Final answer. Ding, 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 ding.
Correct. You just won. You won a level 2.
How was your day today? What did you do today?
Nothing. I just ate hot dogs and chips and.
Did you go anywhere? Do anything this morning? Huh, that's weird because you were gone half the morning. Vacation Bible school?
Yeah, I forgot about that. I was having too much fun on the beach, I guess.
Yeah. Like 4 hours too much fun forgetting.
Do another question, Dad.
One more question. What is
Sand made out
the
of?
closest planet to Earth?
Sun.
Actually, I'm not too sure. I had to Google that. But because we're filming,
I'm not able to Google that.
hi everybody, get your bell, Mickey Mouse.
Dad.
No, that's the wrong channel, Mickey. Sorry about that.
It's the Loud House.
Well, you want to sign out? Say goodbye?
Nah. I want to show you my yellow.
Ooh, what a beauty.
I didn't crack or anything.
That's a nice one. You can make a necklace out of that.
Yeah.
I used to make that for mommy, necklaces. I would drill a little hole right there, put a nice chain. Not too bad. Not too shabby. Another cool thing is,
Yeah.
and your Theo Steve did that. He got fresh shrimp and he put it in here and he had it as a presentation.
Oh, yeah.
So it started like this. Fresh shrimp. Don't mind if I do.
Fresh sand, sir.
Get it? Sandwich.
You want a sandwich, sir? You want one? Here.
Sure.
It's made out of sand.
Oh, look at this guy. Look at these guys.
They look goofy. And if the YouTubers that I give out a shout out to, I love your videos.
And yeah, she does. She talks to everyone about the videos at least 19 times a day.
Yeah, I always go like, can I send FGTV something? Can I send Guava Juice something? Can I send The Beast something? Can I send Cookies Real C something every day, right, Dad?
Right, Dad.
I'm not a dad.
Oh, I know, but I just say that. Oh, we gotta.
Shout out Fortnite! I don't know how to do it.
Wiggle, wiggle, go, wiggle, wiggle.
And if you like my bathing suit, thank you.
Yeah, I like it. It's cool. It's a neon colors. Very tropical.
Yeah, yeah.
Step back a little bit and do the little dance. Do the squid dance with the squid. Don't mind if I do. Can I have this dance? Don't mind if I do. It's the Squidward dance.
Guys, you want to see me catch one of these sand crabs?
Oh, look at that wave. It's gonna get us wet on this one. Woo! Pretty close.
But more. Next time we come to the beach and pond, I'll know. Wait.
All right, guys, we're gonna sign off now.
No!
Our parking meter is about to end soon, and we still gotta clean up.
Wait.
Go ahead.
Wait.
We got a last message. Go ahead.
Link in the description if you know these YouTubers. The Beast, the FGTV, Cookies from the Sea, and Guava Cheese. They're my favorite YouTubers. Bye! See you next time!
Oh, yeah. Oh, Autobots, roll out.